They used to stick around, definitely not for too long.
Ah. Woo. Man. Oh. Oh. Shit, man. Oh. Yeah, you the best. Oh, you the best. Was it good for you like it was good for me?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah. It's time to go night-night.
Ain't no sleep.
What?
It's time for you to go.
What you mean it's time for me to go?
It's time for you to go.
But I thought we was finna, Netflix and chill.
It's time to go.
Oh, man, come on, man. But it's so cold out.
Put your clothes on. You'll be okay.
Shit, man. So you about to take me home?
No, you better hit that app.
What you mean hit the app? What app? You brought me over here.
Uber, Lyft, pick one.
Oh, man. See, that's what I'm saying, man. I gave you good love, and I'm finna stop coming over here, man, for real.
That's fine.
Hey.
What?
Can I have some of your kids' snacks on the way out?
Hell no, get out.
Oh, see, I ain't finna. I'm done fucking with you, man. Every time. He's trying to come on here, please you, and you don't even know how to appreciate it. All this time. Get my goddamn. Yeah, you smiling real funny, huh? Real funny. Get my shit. And your shit was just alright. Fuck. Trip.
Back.
Shit. These bitches, man. Hope I have enough money to get an Uber, man. Sick of this shit. Tell myself she ain't gonna take me home. You tell myself I can't get no snacks. I know that's the money cabinet right there. You do get some info. Oh shit. I wasn't fucked up. Shit. Ain't nothing wrong with a little going away meal. So these bitches ain't stale. Yeah. Good as a motherfucker. See all these people? Little Debbie. Don't mind if I do, babe. Yes. Sweet. Joy. Oh my God. Even him. Let's talk about this. I'm gonna get me some snacks, man. fucking bitch.
What you doing eating all our snacks, punk?
Snacks? Shit, looking at y'all don't need no more damn snacks. Damn, y'all big ass kids.
You ready to beat this fool up, brother? Yes, because he eating all our snacks.
What? Man, bust a move then. Oh, oh, oh,
Hey, gonna get it!
ow, ow, ow. Hey, go get your kid. Hey, hey, go get your, oh, hey, go get your kid. Go get your kid. Oh, 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 hey, go get your kid.
Come on, go upstairs.
Eat our snacks!
Okay, go upstairs. You need to get up.
What kind of hooligans you raising?
You need to be leaving.
Oh, shit.
Hurry up.
Damn, boy. I ain't never coming back over here no more, man. Oh, shit.
Get out.
Oh, shit. Well, my ribs hurting.
I gotta stop fucking with broke niggas.
I used to stick around, definitely not for too long. But boy, you got me hooked and made me wanna write this song. Thought all guys are the same, apparently I was wrong. Let me take you somewhere where we could be alone. You know how people say it caught me unexpected.